The course has been amazing. I didn't really know what I was expecting from myself from the course, but it was so beautifully structured and designed that it flowed really, really well. In the first week for me, there was a lot of deep inner emotional healing and inner child work, and just looking at like negative patterns and really reassessing yourself, going through any unhealthy relationships from the past. And then in the second week, we moved towards like action, looking at our values, at our establishing healthy habits, um, and looking at my personal life goals, mapping out my goals, which has been extremely helpful. I need some structure and a timeline for myself. And this all has been possible through the wonderful teaching and facilitating of Susana and Luke. They, through all of their experience and their knowledge, are sharing freely and really caring, and the sharing circles have been wonderful. They're very heartfelt and really concerned for our well-being and for us to move forward and be the best that we can be. I really, really, really recommend this course for anybody who is looking to evaluate or reevaluate their purpose, their being, to gain the tools and the confidence to move into being a better person, a better version of yourself, and being accountable and having the confidence through them and the other people in the group as a support circle to just go forward and be the best person that you can be. Thank you.